So I just made breakfast, and here you can see the leftovers, which I'm not going to do anything with. So I've peeled a fresh beetroot and fresh ginger, set that aside, and I just threw it into the food processor with a complete whole orange skin, everything. Whisked it up in there, so it's orange, beetroot, ginger, and a splash of lemon juice. So that's ready to go now with my baked oats. So I've got a good handful of baked oats, which is roughly 40 grams, 2 tablespoons sweetener, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of clove, teaspoon of dried ginger, and I've used these 2 flavourings that I get from Sainsbury's. So yeah, I've used a bit of rum, which I've used by mistake, so it's going to be interesting. That should have been almond and vanilla. So just going to add the egg. Ooh, well done. And give it a mix. Add the fruit. And then I'll be using some Alpro and sweetened milk to bring it together. So I'm just going to pop the beetroot and orange in. So there you go. I put a good glug of almond milk in there, probably about 120 ml, and there it is, ready to go. Good stir. Oh, can you hear the woodpecker in my garden? Wow. So okay, that's ready. The oven's on, heating up, 180. Put that into a baking dish, and leave it for about 35-40 minutes. So just before we went in, I decided to pop on 1 pint's worth of almonds. So there she is, ready to cook. Absolutely scrumptious, can't wait to eat it. Oh, how nice does that look? Look at those colours. Look at the texture. Wowee. I cannot wait to eat it. It's very, very, very hot. And it's all ready to go in my tummy. And it's a real feast for the eyes. Colour, as I said, texture. Glorious oats that always, always keep me full. And I love the way the warmth of the oats gives me a comfort feeling inside my tummy. So yeah, it is kind of a comfort food too. And well, it does a great job of keeping you full, a sustained fullness for a long period of time. So less talking, more eating. Scrummy, and just 1 point for the almonds.